Well, welcome back to the shed, and today I have a huge German boombox made by Telefunken. Not one of the makers you associate with boomboxery, but my god, this is a good one. It needed quite a bit of work. The tape counter was broken, so I've changed that. And there's a little three-way switch down there that's broken to start and stop this motor. So again, a spare one had to be provided for that, but the sound is stonkingly good. Anyway, two new playheads, and she's sounding very nice indeed, thank you very much. Each tape deck is driven by its own motor, and you might think they're silver dollar flywheel types, as people in the States say, but they ain't. There's a 3-inch diameter flywheel on each one, and it's driven by a flat belt. There's a secondary belt that does the gearing to operate the rewind and fast forward, and the clutch take-off for playback. But yes, stonkingly good piece of kit this is. Beautiful sound on it. Actually, the bass is so good, it's rattling this thing gradually off the back of the speaker. This lives over the gears and the tape mechanism, which I've got in bits at the moment. But the magnets on these speakers are huge. They're bigger than the magnets you get in a more usual one, shall I say, a Sharp or something like that. Speakers aren't that big, but they're certainly very solid, and they do give a very nice sound indeed. Anyway, enough of this nonsense. I have an airship to attend to. See you soon.